Okay, today's paragraph is talking about uh Puerto Rico, and to them there are more and more hurricanes and a lot of nature disasters in there, and in that area after the natural disaster disease and destroyed them, they just fix it. But when you fix the thing that is before maybe is 20 centuries, it is not as useful as our society today, because a lot of uh, because of a lot of technologies or something. So their government just fixed it, but did not fix the mainly problem. And so after one or two times disease, their people have found that, oh, we should do it by ourselves. So they tell the government to give us some money to improve me with to support me with some money, not just giving a lot of money to fix the old problem. Is so after so they maybe they get some money to do some operations. Yes, and uh, and they has noticed some that there are no when they got damaged, they have no power, no backup power, so it will so a lot of things you can do, like manufacturing things, and manufacturing is the main 产业 to their country, so it may be broken a lot of economics. So in the end, they think government should call them to build some renewable energy projects or some funds. Yes. Mm, 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 mm.
Today we are going to talk about the paragraph is disaster attack the Florida. And first, after the hurricane hit the Florida, the big disaster coming. Many of the building, a lot of things is broken by the hurricane, and many times when have the hurricane and it are come and keep coming. It's not the only one. And they are thinking about that when they are being destroyed and they need to use the money to fix it. 然后我看到汪相任 and fix it and visit, but after visit they also broken again and they need to use many money to do that. And they rethink about how to use the money in effective way. And then they're talking about when the hurricane comes in, their energy will become like the electric, gas, or another things. So they are thinking about something can use this energy when they are having a disaster. So, and and in the next paragraph they talk about they can use the solar power to to cover the electric broken, and it will be good.